Hello friends, welcome to another video of Chartmojo, and today we can see Nifty have taken resistance at 18,800. Yesterday I was talking about this level. If we breach this level, then 18,850 and 18,900 we were looking. And on the downside, I was expecting Bank Nifty to be relatively weaker than Nifty, and it did happen in a similar manner. Also, if we see Dow chart, okay, let me show you first. There was lot of volatility just after the rate announcement. Okay, this is after the rate announcement, we can see spikes here, and ultimately our market have also been volatile in today's session. There was expiry in our market, and during expiry there are high chances that market might become volatile as well. Most of the time you see 70% of the time it will remain sideways. Okay, it will remain in sideways range, but because of this macro news there are chances that it can become volatile. Now if we see overall, after the volatility, Dow is trading in a sideways range, and similar effect was seen in Nifty. At the end, I think so. Nifty was trying to fill this gap, which was around 18,620. Okay, so for next trading session, I will be looking for this gap fill trade. Okay, so ideally, if in the next trading session, okay, if market clear out today's low, then there is high possibility that market will reach or will fill this gap. Okay, and if this gap is also taken out, then I will expect market to reach 18,550 level. So I would like to play for this two level if market gives any signal, or if market goes below today's low. Okay, on the higher side we will keep 18,800 as a important level. Okay, and 18,800 is definitely a good resistance. So if I want to go long, I will wait for 18,800, and then you can play for small level again 18,850 and 18,900. That's it, because it is all time high level. Now going to Bank Nifty, let me show you daily chart. Yesterday we were looking at Bank Nifty, and we were saying that it has performed relatively weaker than Nifty, and 43,800 was the level which we were looking for, and target which we were thinking was 43,500, and second 43,400 level. Okay, and why 400 level? Because this was the hammer low, which could act as a support. So similarly today it has given halt at the same level. Now if someone wants to create a fresh shot on Bank Nifty, then they might avoid for a while, and from here, if Nifty gap is filled, okay, then bank you might find Bank Nifty trading near 43,200. Okay, 43,200 to 43,300 kind of level, because Bank Nifty have given a good breakdown. Now if you see the target of this channel pattern, now this is very important. This is channel pattern. Okay, and I will keep this at the breakdown level. Okay, we can see that almost 75% of the target is already achieved, and the final target come near 43,150 level. Okay, so someone is very aggressive, then can play till 43,150. Okay, uh, if it goes below that level, then I will say it is better to avoid, because 43,000 will act as a major psychological level. So 43,150 till 43,150 I can see that. So if you are creating a fresh position in intraday, then it is better to avoid this. Instead of this, one can look for Nifty to to take a trade for gap fill, and then for 550 level. Okay, on the upside, if Bank Nifty tries to recover, then I would say you should not participate in that upside, and 44,000, okay, will now be important level for Bank Nifty. So if you want to take long trade, or if you want to carry some positional long, wait for 44,000, and then only you can think of initiating that kind of trade. Okay, moving toward the Dow, we have discussed on smaller time frame. So on the larger time frame, here we can see that there is chances of a reversal, because this move is happening at the resistance. We have seen in the past Dow is facing very good resistance in the level of 34k to 35k. Okay, and 34,500 is also a very immediate resistance. Right now I can see that after the rate announcement, if today's session also close in negative, okay, and especially below 33,700, then this will definitely create some downside pressure and we can expect Nifty to fill the gap. Looking at Brent, we can say there is a sideways movement here, and again it is acting as a neutral signal only. I've chosen two counter now. Again, these both the counter, okay. I can see Sipla and Aisha Motor here. On both counter, you can see there is a gap, okay. On Sipla, there is a gap, okay, here at 1020 level. So in intraday, one can try to seize the opportunity and capture the trade till this gap level, which is 1020, okay. Above 1000, one can try to take a trade that can fill this gap. And on downside, again, this is very good gap play here. You can see there is this sideways, okay. Now Aisha Motor have reached its support level. Now key level which you can look for is the swing low, okay. Once this swing low is taken out, then you can play for this gap fill, okay. Both the counter, one for upside gap fill, one for downside gap fill. And on Nifty, let us see if again we can see Nifty filling the gap. Now one more thing, okay, which kind of gap you can see on Nifty? So the answer is this is common gap. Let me show you 5-minute chart, and here we can see that previously most of the time this common gaps were filled. Now this is the current gap. You can see here there was gap that got filled, okay. Next we can see that there was this gap that also got filled, okay. Next, this was a gap that was also filled, okay. Next, you can see this was the gap which also got filled. So there are high probability that if this is a common gap, which is likely, okay, as per the definition. So I think this gap will also be filled in the upcoming trading session. So let us see how that goes. And guys, this is it for this video. I hope you are liking our content. If you're liking, then please hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, then please subscribe. Till then, take care. I will meet you in our next video.